I know meditation can seem difficult. If you're a person with high energy, slowing down to focus on your breath may not come naturally to you. Well, you're in luck, my friend. Today I'll be sharing with you 3 meditation tips for you, for beginners who are starting their meditation journey. But before we go any further, if you're new here, welcome to the Dream Team. And if you're familiar, welcome back. My name is Dream, and I'm a music artist who's passionate about mental health, self-development, and, of course, music. If you're looking for more content just like this, go ahead and subscribe and be on the lookout for weekly content. Note: these tips will be coming from my own personal experience with meditation and what I think will add value to you as you start your journey. Now let's get into it. Tip number 1. Start with short guided sessions. Just like you do with a sport or anything that you're starting to try, you need to go to the people who know how to do it. A guided meditation session is a short session of meditation led by somebody else. And you can find these sessions on various different topics on YouTube, SoundCloud, and specific apps. Alright, so I'm editing this right now, and I realized that I didn't say any meditation apps at all. But I'm not going to, because there's not a brand that's paying me, so no free promo. Now, the benefits of this is that it'll allow you to not have to focus on figuring out how to do the meditation, but instead all you have to do is listen to the instructions of the person who's made the video. And it really helps you get started with meditation so you can eventually do it on your own without any instructor. Tip number 2. Set a specific time every single day that you are going to meditate. Now, this doesn't mean that you can't meditate any other time of the day, but this just means that you set a specific time that every single day you might have an alarm on your phone for you to go and sit and meditate for however long that you want to. 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, heck, a whole hour, you choose. But ultimately, what setting a specific time every day will do for you is that it will build that level of consistency so you can, 1, start consistently meditating, but 2, slowly get better at meditating so it gets easier. Because you have to realize meditation is a skill, and just like any other skill, the skill of meditation can be developed. And last but not least, tip number 3. Keep a journal, and after each session, write your thoughts and feelings. By doing this, 1, you open up a space for you to be open and honest with how you're feeling, but then 2, it'll allow you to see your growth over time. Maybe the first 2 or 3 sessions that you did, you were still unfocused afterwards, but a couple weeks down the line, you're feeling very refreshed after your meditation sessions. Write down however you feel in the moment after you meditate, whether they're good feelings or bad feelings, and ultimately leave that journal as a space for you to be open and honest with yourself, so you can grow at the skill of meditation. If you found this video valuable, go ahead and hit that like button and comment down below which of these 3 tips you're going to use today. Peace.